This is a Go Kart that I picked up for $215, and I'm gonna see if I can completely restore it. Now I'm talking about like make it brand new, get all that rust off, repaint it. We're gonna make the engine run first, which is what we're gonna do today, day one. Let's get started. Okay. To get money. I knew you'd take it. Alrighty, look at that. You can see that, you can kind of see that there is quite a bit of debris inside the carburetor or inside the bowl, and so we need to get that cleaned up. Luckily I do have some carbon choke cleaner, so we're gonna spray that in there and clean that all up. It's a little bit better, still not good though. Alrighty, as you can see now it is a lot better. It's super clean inside. It isn't completely perfect. There's a little bit of grime or whatever in the corners, but I can't really get to that. So I'm gonna inspect the actual carburetor and we'll see if that needs anything done to it. And if it does, I'll clean it up. If it doesn't, I'll throw it back together and see if it fires up. Okay, now I just need to check if we have spark. Oh yeah. I don't know if you saw that, but we do have spark. So that's good. Okay, so I just opened up fuel tank, we're gonna pour some gas, and then we're gonna see if it starts. I'm gonna try some starting fluid and see how that will work. So just take. Hey, it did run. Oh, it did run, let's go. Alrighty. I think we might need to clean the entire carburetor. This is the jet that sprays the fuel into the carburetor from the bowl, and you can't really tell, but it is clogged up. You're supposed to, one way you can tell is if you see light through the hole, but you cannot. Look at that, see, you can barely see any light. Let's see if it will start. Okay, forgot to do something. Yes! Let's go! Yes, it works!